Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our show, where we help individuals manage their finances. Today, with us, we have Nidhi Bharadwaj from Four School of Management, who recently got graduated and got placement. So today, we will have her on our show and see what is her future plans with her salary. Welcome, Nidhi, to
Hello.
our show.
Thank you, Arshit. How are you?
Congratulations on getting placed.
Thank you.
So, what are your plans with the salary? How you will be getting it?
I actually have no plans, but I want to spend all my money on traveling and shopping and all these things.
Okay, that's one great way to spend your salary.
Thank you.
So then, what are your plans for investments in the future? Your health needs, your savings.
Actually, I don't have any plans initially, but after some time, like after 2 to 4 years, then I will think
Okay.
about it.
Okay, let me give you a brief example.
Okay.
Let's say if you start an SIP after 4 years, after 2 years from now.
Okay.
For a 15,000, which will mature in 20 years. So the amount you will be getting, it will be around 1 crore 40 lakhs. But if you start it today, for 2 years only, it will be 1 crore 80 lakhs. You will be earning 40 lakh extra in that just 2 years. That's the power of compounding.
Oh my God.
So that I would suggest you should start at as early as possible. Maybe a little bit of amount, not so much. You should spend it surely.
So, what's the minimum amount?
So that depends. Generally, it is around 30% of your salary you should invest for your future
Okay.
needs. But based on your requirements, what is your expenditure, you can spend as much as possible. But it should be at least 30% of your salary
Okay.
on different instruments, not just SIP. As SIP is not fixed return, so you should invest. You should create a portfolio which is versatile and risk proof. So I will suggest you to invest some amount in SIPs, some amount in PF, which you will be doing,
Okay. Yeah.
some amount in maybe debt fund. Okay, then you will have requirement for your health insurance, life insurance. What you will do in case of any health emergency, you get admit or something. That's why you need to have a health cover as soon as possible. Then if you have some dependents in your family, for to cover the expenses, you will have to get a life insurance. So they are covered for the life. So I would suggest you should start investing as early as possible. Start first of all, you have to take a life insurance, health insurance, invest in instruments like FD, PF, mutual fund, at least 30% of your
Okay.
salary.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. I hope you got some insights
Yeah.
from our show today.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.